Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make toaster quesadillas. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need small, soft tortillas, ideally 6 inches in diameter, and your favorite shredded cheese. Cheddar, Monterey Jack, or a blend work wonderfully. Remember, shredded cheese melts more evenly and helps prevent a gooey mess inside your toaster. Also, avoid overfilling each tortilla. A thin layer of cheese is perfect for a quick, delicious snack. Let's get started with the preparation. Now, let's assemble our quesadillas. Take 1 small tortilla and lay it flat. Sprinkle about 2 tablespoons of shredded cheese evenly over 1/2 of the tortilla. Then, carefully fold the other half over, creating a neat crescent shape. Make sure the cheese is tucked inside and not spilling out. For an extra crispy exterior, you can lightly butter the outside of the folded tortilla. This step adds a lovely golden brown finish. It's time to toast. Carefully place your folded quesadilla into a wide toaster slot. If your toaster has adjustable slots, make sure they are wide enough to accommodate the folded tortilla without squishing it. Set your toaster to a medium-low setting, perhaps around 3 or 4 on a scale of 1 to 7. Toast for about 1 to 2 minutes, keeping a close eye on it. You want the cheese to be perfectly melted and the tortilla lightly golden brown. Once toasted to perfection, carefully remove your hot quesadilla from the toaster. It will be quite warm, so let it cool for about 30 seconds before handling. You can then cut it into 2 or 3 smaller pieces, making it easier to eat. Serve your delicious toaster quesadilla immediately with your favorite toppings like salsa, guacamole, or sour cream. Enjoy this quick, cheesy, and satisfying snack anytime.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.